of the course Python tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how string formattings can be performed using Python. Just like other programming languages, Python uses similar kind of formattings to create and manipulate strings. The special symbols like %d and %s are used to create and format a string with a fixed size. These symbols are also called as argument specifiers. Let us consider one simple example and know how these specifiers works. For this one, let us create a list or a variable, a simple variable called as name, and here I will mention it as Raju. And I want to display the Raju value here. That we can do simply by writing print of name. But by using string formattings, I want to display the value Raju. In this case, I have to write the statement, print function statement like this. Print, here I am using a word hello, means I want to wish Raju with %s. This is the string formatting here, and give a space and write down percentile name. Just like procedure oriented programmings, string formattings you can apply in order to format the string values. So in this case, we have written the print statement as hello %s, means in place of %s, the code is going to replace the value that is available in variable name. Means the expected output with this statement is hello Raju. Let us see whether it is true or false. Yeah, we got the correct output. Let us take one more example. In Python, it is also possible to use two argument specifiers at the same time. For this one, let us consider the example. I am taking one variable with his name Raju and another variable with his age. Now, by using the string formatting, I want to display the values of name and Raju by telling that Raju is 39 years old. In this case, I want to represent the string like this. Percentile s, this represents the value Raju is. Here I want to display the age. Here the age is not a string, it is a integer. So instead of percentile s, we have to go for percentile d. Now percentile s is percentile d years old, right? Here I want to tell Raju is 39 years old. Now the string formatting, that we have to do it with the character that is Raju, which is available in the variable name as well as the age. So we have to represent the name and age variables in this fashion. Now let us see the output of this statement. Our expected output is Raju is 39 years old. We will see whether we are going to get the same output or not. Yeah, we got the expected output only. Now objects which are not strings can also be formatted using %s string formatting specifier. Let us see how it will be done. For this case, I am creating a variable called as list of values. To this variable, I am assigning 10, 20 and 30 values. Means here list of values will become a list with 3 values. Now what I want to do is I want to print these list of values, that too by using percentile s string formatting specifier. That we can do like this. In the double quotation marks, I am writing it as list of values are. List of values are. Here the values should be replaced with the specifier, that is percentile s. Here simply take it as percentile list of values. This is the name of our list. Now our expected output is, we need to get a string saying it as list of values are, and then after we need to get 10, 20 and 30. Let us see whether we are expecting in a correct way or not. Yes, our expectations are correct. Apart from percentile s and percentile d, the other argument specifier Python supports is percentile f in order to format the floating point numbers. Hope you understood how string formattings can be performed in Python. In the next lecture, we will try to see the basic operations that can be performed on strings and lists.